with me on a nature walk. Okay, so I hear this, like, cricket, and I want to see if, like, it's a frog or a frog. Who's that? Like, I'm not the only one who hear that. I think you guys hear that too. Ribbit, if you. So we're gonna leave. I think it went away. So I'm just exploring my neighborhood to see if anybody has their Halloween decorations out, and I already see a lot of people who have their decorations out. I won't be able to show you because I don't want anybody to see their address or anything. But this is really, I'll describe them to you. Like, this one has Jack Skellington for like a little boo thing. And then a Green Goblin one, but I don't know. Okay, so me and my friend always used to walk by this house every single year during Halloween because there is always this thing that would be like scaring us. They always put things for Beetlejuice. I see a baby Demogorgon. It's so cute. But like I really don't want to go over to this house because if it jump scares me, it's gonna be so scary. Like, you guys will probably hear it. So if my friend calls me, then I'll take another video and show you guys this. But yeah. Okay, it's back to the nature walk. For our nature walk today, we are going to do like a Halloween thing, like something that shows the Halloween colors and stuff. So like probably orange, purple. Because I see like a few of that purple. Like one time I saw this purple leaf, but I put it in my room and then it just disappeared. And this is my first video. Oh my god, the hiccups. This is my first nature walk, so maybe like every Wednesday I'll do a nature walk. So come with me on my first nature walk. And I have tutoring in like an hour. So yeah. Ooh, I think I see something orange. You guys don't hear children. Okay. Sometimes I see baby crows and it's super cute. But, oh yeah, and I'll do a fit check like after. But actually, let's do a fit check right now. No, actually, we're just gonna skip that side because I don't like going where people are. But I got my... And I've actually seen some of you guys are like my fans. So yeah. Going on a nature walk. Going on a nature walk. Nature walk. Nature walk. Come on, get on. Come on a nature walk. I see something orange. Oh my. Okay, let's go into it. Actually, no, because I want to walk. Ooh, a blossom tree. Okay. So let's see. I saw something orange over here. So this is like a red leaf, but we're gonna put that down. I really just want to do a cartwheel right now. But yeah, I don't want to like fall down on concrete. But yeah, that would be really bad. Scary. Going on in nature. Oh, that's beautiful. This like the sun's really cool. It's like covered by the feathers, and the sky like. Oh yeah. What the heck? Let's take a little nature break. Look at this, guys. So like that, and then right there, compared to that, this is very smooth. Oh, and also, guys, I think I'm gonna get a fairy suit for Christmas. What else? Oh yeah, I'm getting a lot of kawaii. I lost my train of thought. It's like kawaii stuff. Like I'm getting this really cute bunny hat. It's pink, and then I'm getting these cute kawaii glasses, and then some Sanrio stuff, and then I'm getting mascara. Like as you can see, my eyelashes are like kind of short but very long. Short, long. Short, long. My fingers. Short, long. Short, long. My feet. Small. Wait. Small. Big. Yeah. So small. Big. Small. And big. Yeah, big. I'm gonna do more than long. Okay, we're gonna do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye guys, thanks for coming on my nature walk with me. Come back next Wednesday for my next nature walk.